Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news of a Fed announcement that has surprised markets. There was no tapering announced by the US Central Bank. Rather, it has stayed focused on reaching its jobs target and getting unemployment down to 6.5% in America. The immediate reaction by markets was a sharp cheering. The Dow hit an all-time record high. Gold jumped $40 an ounce, and oil rose $3 a barrel. The jump in asset prices in US dollars, however, won't be reflected here because the New Zealand currency was also one of those that rose on the announcement, surging up well over 83 US cents. The rise by the Kiwi was broad-based, gaining against all its main benchmarks, including the Aussie. The TWI is now sitting at 77.5. US interest rates have only moved marginally higher. The US 10-year is only up to 2.87 in midday trade after the Fed announcement. Most US observers now expect the Fed to raise its benchmark, which is at 0.25%, in 2015. First, bond tapering must get started and the free money end, and then we'll see the rate rises. Also, there is a little matter of negotiating through the US debt limit politics, and the Republican-controlled House is getting even more obstructionist. Data for American housing starts and building permits issued came in higher in August, but were below analysts' expectations. In other news, Fitch's respected Chinese analyst, Charlene Xu, is warning that China's credit boom is still growing 50% faster than its economy in August, and because it has been doing that for straight 5 years now, it can't be sustained at this pace. General Motors has renewed its commitment to its electric car program, even though it has been a big disappointment on sales. In a similar move later in the day, China also committed to extend and expand its subsidies for electric cars, but it is now excluding hybrids from that program. And speaking of cars and subsidies, big decisions are about to be made in Australia about the future of their car industry. It seems unlikely the new government will continue to stump up the subsidies needed to keep companies like Holden manufacturing in Australia. New Zealand dollar starts today at 83.6 US cents, 88.1 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 77.6, its highest level since May. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.